So, okay, yesterday we completed what? Yesterday we completed what and just to HTML entities, right? HTML entities. What is the purpose of the HTML entities? HTML entities are used to add the special symbols on the web page, right? You want to add the special symbols on the web page using what? Entities. But HTML entities are classified into two types. First one, character entities. So second one is what? Number entities. Okay. So online students, any doubt is there? Online. So today I will send the notes to you. Okay, na? Today I will send the notes to you, ma. So any doubt is there? Okay, ma. So online students, please do practice. Okay, na? So please don't waste the time. Okay, na? So please don't waste the time, amma. You must enter practice. Compulsory practice cheyali. So because enter upcoming classes, I am teaching enter just in terms of advanced level also. Okay, for example, see, morning 11:30 batch is there. They completed in terms of just HTML, CSS, almost ending. Okay, na course is completed. Same. For example, I type what in terms of mobiles. See, it is a Amazon website, right? So click on add to cart. Cart items added. Na? So just click on add to cart. Click on add to cart. We are selected how many items? 3 items. Na? Here which option is there? Go to cart. Go to cart, right? So go to cart. How many items are there? 3 items are there. Na? Your right side item, total price is there. Na? Total price is there. For example, you can remove the item also. Na? You can remove the item also. Here item is there. Na? You click on delete button, delete the items. Same application item we are developed. See, this is what item number of products are there. Na? For example, I want to enter I want to purchase what electronic items. See, you select what electronics. Only electronic products are coming. See, okay. I want to select the enter some items. I want to purchase what enter I want to purchase the just example. I will show in the future classes what happens. Okay, na? So this, I selected 2 items. 2 items are there. Na? Is there a I want to select what enter one dress. Okay, click on add to cart. Click on add to cart. Some of the people's doubt how to develop the e-commerce websites. Using our technologies, develop the e-commerce websites. Okay, I want to purchase what jewelry. Okay, na? So I select enter some item. We are selecting how many items? 5 items. We selected how many items? So okay, see cart items is there. Na? Click on cart items. It will show the list of items. So what is the ID? What is the title? So what is the preview? Price and actions. Action means what? You can delete the unwanted item also. See, total price is there. Total price is there. Upcoming classes entama, you want to understanding the this type of entama real-time applications. So you must practice. Okay, na? Here tables are there, na? Tables. See, tables are there. Okay. So whatever the content is there on the web page, that the content images are there. Na? I use the image tab. Okay. So whatever the content is there, so on the web page, that content is added by only in terms just so HTML. But what are the access? What is the functionality? So functionality as it added by in terms JavaScript. Okay. You must practice, please. Okay, na? Please don't waste the time, amma. Okay. I am teaching completely advanced, very advanced level. Okay, na? Not advanced, very advanced level. That reason you have to practice it. Okay, na? So today our concept is what? First, let me open the working folder. File, open folder. So file, open folder. F drive 4 to 5, right? 4 to 5. Okay. See, up to what are the tags are were completed? Heading tags are completed. Paragraph tags are completed. Formatting tags are completed. Am I right? Next one is what? Market tag is completed. Image tag is completed. Next one is what? Tables also completed. Clear? So next one, HTML entity is also completed. So next today we are going to one new concept, that is what? HTML list tags. Let me create the separate file first. HTML list tags. It is also one of the most important concept. HTML list tags. Let me create the file. HTML list tags. CML. HTML list tags are classified into three types. HTML list tags are classified into three types, right? HTML list tags are classified into three types. HTML list tags are HTML list tags are divided. So divided into three types. HTML list tags are classified into three types. HTML list tags are divided into three types. So first one is what? Ordered list. So first one is what? Ordered list. First one is what? Ordered list. So second one is what? Unordered list. Unordered list. Okay. So first one is what? Ordered list. Second one is what? Unordered list. Third one is what? So defined list. Third one is what? Defined list. HTML list tags are classified into three types. First one is what? Ordered list. Second one is what? Unordered list. Third one is what? Defined list. Okay. HTML list tags are classified into three types. First one, ordered list. Second one, unordered list. Third one is what? So defined list. Okay. TMR. So first, today we are going to HTML ordered list. HTML ordered list. Not order, ordered list. Okay. Listen. HTML ordered list. HTML ordered list. HTML ordered list define with define HTML ordered list define with HTML ordered list define with which tag? OL tag. HTML ordered list define with which tag? OL tag. It is a pair tag, right? So it is a pair tag. So pair tag means what? Open tag is there along with the closing tag is there. Open tag is there along with the closing tag is there. HTML ordered list defined with the OL tag. It is a pair tag. It is a pair tag. What is the purpose of the ordered list? So what is the purpose of the ordered list? Okay, ma. It is used to line or paragraph starting. Line or paragraph starting. So line or paragraph starting. So line or paragraph starting automatically add the numbers. So what is the purpose of the order list? Line or paragraph starting automatically add the numbers. Automatically add the numbers. So line or paragraph starting, you want to add the numbers automatically. You want to add the numbers automatically. You want to add the numbers automatically. You go with the ordered list. You go with the ordered list. Anybody asking what is the purpose of the ordered list? HTML ordered list is used to line or paragraph starting. You want to add the numbers. You want to add the numbers automatically. You want to add the numbers automatically, you go with the ordered list. You go with the ordered list. For example, I want to present the data like this. For example, our course name is what? I want to present the data like this. Our course name is what? UI Technologies. Our course name is what? UI Technologies. Okay, na? In this, it is a UI Technology means what? Only single technology is there? No. Group of technologies are there. What are the technologies are there? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, and React. I want to display the all technologies along with the numbering. Along with the numbering. Just one.html. So next one is what? Generally you do what? Generally you do what? You add the numbers manually, right? You add the numbers manually. For example, I want to display the interm. Put the heading first. H3 open tag is there. H3 closing tag is there. I want to display the data. I want to display the data along with the numbering. Generally, you people should do what? You people should do what? You add the numbers manually, right? You add the numbers manually. See, like this. Paragraph open tag is there. Paragraph closing tag is there. One.html. 1 dot HTML. Okay, next one is what? 2 dot CSS. 2 dot CSS. Next one is what? 3 dot JavaScript. 3 dot JavaScript. Next one is what? 4 dot React. 4 dot React. So next one is what? Paragraph open tag is there. Paragraph closing tag is there. Just as a jQuery. Generally, you add the numbers manually, right? You add the numbers manually. See, okay, same output is there. Okay, no problem. Output is there, no problem. Every line starting number is there, no problem. Okay, okay, every line starting number is there now. But so when you get the problem, if you remove the any item, you remove the any item, number is not updated automatically. See, number is not updated automatically. See, number is updated. You remove the one more item. You remove the one more item. See, number is updated. Number is updated. That is problem with the you add the numbers manually. That is problem. But you take the help of order list. You remove the any item. Automatically update the number. Automatically update the number. Okay. So what is the purpose of the order list? HTML order list uses it to line or paragraph starting add the numbers automatically. You want to add the numbers automatically using which tag? Order list. See, OL tag same. OL tag generate the numbers on the web page. Which tag generate the numbers on the web page? OL tag. So OL tag generate the numbers on the web page. OL tag generate the numbers on the web page. See, OL open tag is there, OL closing tag is there. OL tag generate the numbers on the web page. Okay. OL tag generate the numbers on the web page. Okay, clear. But where you write the content? Where you write the content? Where you write the content? You want to keep the content? You want to keep the content. Again, you need one more tag. Again, you need one more tag. So that is what LI. LI means what? List items. List items. List items. What is the purpose of the list item? What is the purpose of the LI tag? LI tag uses it to keep the content. Keep the content. OL tag generate the numbers. OL tag generate the numbers. Here, parent and child relation is there. Parent and child. Who is it parent element? OL is a parent element. Who is a child element? LI is a child element. Okay, na? In the HTML, some of the tags are in the HTML, some of the tags are comes with parent and child. In the HTML, some of the tags are comes with parent and child relation. Parent and child relation. I mean, you must use the parent element. You must use the child element. For example, table is there. We are completed table. How to create the table? First, create the table. Tables are divided into table rows. Tables are divided into table rows. Table rows are divided into table headings. Table rows are divided into table cells. That is hierarchy. That is what? Hierarchy. Okay. Here also OL tag generate the numbers. OL tag generate the numbers. But where you keep the content? You want to keep the content. You need what? One item container. I mean one tag. What the tag name is what? LI. LI means what? List items. List items. List items. What are the items are there? Those items are keep inside LI tag. Those items are keep inside LI tag. See, just I said HTML. Number is added on the web page. See, list item before number is added. See, I am not added. Automatically add the number. Automatically add the number. Next one, see, LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. CSS. CSS. Save the program, check it. Item is added. Next one. So next one is what? So next one is what? LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. Just as a JavaScript. Number is added. Okay. Next one. LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. Just as a bootstrap. So number is added. So line or paragraph starting, you want to add the numbers automatically You want to add the numbers automatically. You have to choose what? So ordered list. Ordered list. Clear? Next one. I want to keep the one more element. Same. Li open tag is there. Li closing tag is there. Just I say react. See automatically add the numbers. For example, you remove the any list item. You remove the any list item. Automatically update the number. Automatically update the number. Check it correct or not. So automatically update the number. For example, you remove the third item. You remove the third item. You remove the third item, automatically update the number. See, check it correct or not. But you add the numbers manually. You add the numbers manually. You add the numbers manually. Numbers are not updated. So not updated. So that reason. So you want to display the line or paragraph starting numbers. You want to display the line or paragraph starting numbers. You have to use what? Ordered list. Have to use what? Ordered list. Next one. Li open tag is there. Li closing tag is there. Next one is what? Bootstrap. So next one Li open tag is there. Li closing tag is there. So next one is what? So one more JavaScript, right? One more JavaScript. See, automatically update the numbers. Some of the people are there thinking what entama li tag inside entama only keep the small content. No, li tag inside entama you can keep the any content. You can keep the paragraphs also. You can keep the paragraph also. For example, you develop the one web application. 10 paragraphs are there. 10 paragraphs are there. Each paragraph starting you want to add the numbers. Na? Each paragraph starting you want to add the numbers. Using what? Order list only. OL open tag is there. OL closing tag is there. LI open tag is there. LI closing tag is there. LI tag inside you can put the any content. Remember, you can put the any content. You can put what into my images also, no problem. You can put what into my table also, no problem. You can put what into my paragraph also, no problem. Li tag inside, you can put the any content. You have to remember that point. Okay. So I want to display the paragraph. Paragraph open tag is there, paragraph closing tag is there. Just I say lorem 40. Lorem 40. Next one. I want to display the one more paragraph. So Li open tag is there, Li closing tag is there. Paragraph open tag is there, paragraph closing tag is there. Lorem 40. Next one. Li open tag is there, Li closing tag is there. Paragraph open tag is there, paragraph closing tag is there. Lorem 40. Next one. So Li open tag is there, Li closing tag is there. Paragraph open tag is there, paragraph closing tag is there. Li. Okay. Save the program, check it. See how many paragraphs are there. How many paragraphs are there? 4 paragraphs are there. Na? Each paragraph starting added numbers are. Each paragraph added what? Numbers. For example, you remove the any paragraph. You remove the any paragraph or any paragraph automatically update the numbers. That is main advantage of the order list. You add the item, automatically numbers are updated. You remove the item, automatically numbers are updated. So line or paragraph starting, you want to add the numbers equal with the ordered list. Clear? So next point. So by default, order list gives what? By default, order list gives what? Numbering. By default, order list gives what? Numbering. By default, order list gives what? Numbering, right? But by default, order list gives what? Numbering. But my client, they wanted alphabets. My client, they wanted alphabets. My client, they wanted alphabets. Okay. So by default, order list gives what? Numbering. So you can change the number format to other format also. Number format to other format also. How you change the number format to other format to using attribute. So what is the attribute name is what? Type. What the attribute name is what? Type. So type equal to small a. Type equal to small a. Small alphabets are added. So type equal to capital A. Capital alphabets are added. So type equal to capital I. Capital Roman numbers are added. Capital Roman numbers are added. Type equal to small I. Small Roman numbers are added. Okay. By default, numbers are coming. You want to change the number format to other format. That is what attribute. Using type attribute, you can change the number format to other format also. That is the which attribute? Type attribute. Okay. Using which attribute? Type. How many values are there? 4 values are there. Type equal to small a. Type equal to capital A. Type equal to type equal to capital I. So type equal to small I. Okay. See how you change it, see, using which attribute, type attribute. Always write the attributes HTML open tag only. Always write the HTML attributes open tag only. Na? See, it is a open tag, right? Write the attribute. So what is the attribute name is what? Type equal to. So type equal to, see, type equal to small a. Just I say small a. Small alphabets are added. Small alphabets are added. CM. Small alphabets are added. So next one. So next one is what? So type equal to. So type equal to. Type equal to capital A. Type equal to capital A. Capital alphabets are added. Okay. So next one is what? So type equal to. So type equal to. Type equal to. I want to display the numbers in the Roman numbers. I want to add the capital Roman numbers. Capital Roman numbers, right? Capital Roman numbers are there on the keyboard. Capital Roman numbers are there on the keyboard. On your keyboard, capital Roman number is there. How to add the capital Roman numbers? Okay, na? Capital I. Why they are given capital I? Hmm? Why they are given capital I? Hmm? Why they are given capital I, Amma? Some of the people they don't know. Hmm? Why they are
Roman
given
number
capital I?
1.
So capital I entama just capital I entama appearance Roman number appearance both are entama same. Antena capital I appearance. So next one is what entama Roman number capital I entama Roman numbers both are looks entama same. Both are looks entama same. That is in entama they are given what capital I. See. Okay. So you want to displace what? You want to displace what? Small Roman numbers, right? You want to display the small Roman numbers. Just I say small I. Just I say small I. Small I means what? Small I means what? Small Roman numbers are there. Small I looks entama, looks entama. So next one is what entama? Small entama, Roman number looks both are same. That reason they are given what entama? Small I. Okay, clear? Here one of the most popular interview question is there. Okay, so what is the interview question? Tell me. For example, so present our list having how many items are there? How many items are there? 6 items are there, na? 6 items are there. Okay, 6 items are there, Amma. Come on, 6 items are there. For example, you added into 30 items. You added 30 items. You added 30 items. 30 alphabets are there. How many alphabets are there? 26 alphabets are there. Just A, okay. So B, like that entama just like that entama 26 entama alphabets are completed. So what is the next sequence? It is one of the popular interview question. A to Z one sequence is completed. A to Z one sequence is completed. What is the next sequence? Again A started. Online. A to Z one sequence is completed. Okay, what is the next sequence? Who are working with MS Excel, they know this point. Who are working with MS Excel, they know this point. One sequence is completed. Again A started. No. Again A started. No. Again which you don't know Excel, amma. You don't know Excel. You don't know Excel. Example say you open the Excel application. You take the any computer technology, amma. You take the any computer technology. You take the any computer technology. Just one sequence is completed. A to Z is completed. See in the Excel, how many columns are there? 65,536 columns are there. It is an Excel application, right? How many columns are there? 65,536 columns are there. Each column is representing first column name is what? A. Second column name is what? B. Third column name is what? C. Like that, 26 columns are completed. Now, what is the next sequence is what? Entama? A. Remember. Next sequence is what? A. So, what is the sequence is what? A to Z. Next started A. Next is what? AB. Next is what? AC. Next is what? AZ. So next one is what? BA. So next one is what? BB. Next one is what? You take the any technology same. So next one is what? So ZDA up to ZZ. After ZZ also again sequence is coming. Again sequence is there. So what is the sequence is what? What is the sequence? A. Next one is what? B. Next one is what? A. See, in the Excel application, 65,536 columns are there. Each column is representing unique address. Unique address. See, check it correct. A to Z. See, again sequence is started. It is one of the most popular interview question. So one sequence is started A to Z sequence is ending. Again started what? A, AB, AC, AZ, PA, BZ, CA, CZ, DA, DZ. Okay. So like that see. Same which sequence is there? Check it correct or not. Same ZZ is completed. AAB. Next one is what? AAP. Next one is what? AAC. Next one is what? AAT. So it is one of the most popular interview question. Okay, very good okay na. So what is the next sequence is what? AA. Remember, okay na. So A to Z. Next one is what? AA, AZ. Next one is what? PA, BZ. So like that just like that ZA, ZZ. You take the any technology same like this this is what sequence of the so sequence of the alphabets. You take the any technology. Okay, our technology is also same. Okay, so next one clear. So next one, okay ma. So A, B, C up to how many items are there? So 6 items. How many items are there? 6 items are there. Okay, next point. So next one is what? For example, if we don't give the type attribute, right? If we don't give the type attribute, if we don't give the type attribute, if we don't give the type attribute, so numbers are added. Numbers are added. Generally, numbers are starting from where? 1. Generally, numbers are starting from where? 1. Okay, 1 is there. So 1 is there. 1 is there. But my client, they want to start the number from 100. My client, they want to start the list from 100. By default, number start with 1. Number start with 1. But my client, they want to start the number 100. They want to start the number. They want to start the list 25. They want to start the list 56. They want to start the list 1001. You can start it, no problem. Okay, you can start the list of particular number also. You can start the list of particular number also. Using which attribute? Start attribute. Using which attribute? Start. Okay, start attribute. Using start attribute, you can start the list particular number also. You can start the list of particular number. For example, just I say 25. Just I say 25. See, it will start at 25. It will start in 25. For example, just I say 1001. It will starting from 1001. Okay. So next one is what? Just enter just I say 1009 or 109. It will start from 109. But start attribute same. Start attribute always it expect what number. Always it expect what it expect what number. Always it expect what number. Start attribute always it expect what number only. Always it expect what number only. Okay na. So number only. Okay. It is one of the most interesting question. You want to start the list in a particular number also. Using which attribute? Start attribute. Start equal to just I say 15. My list is starting from where? 15. Just I say, so just I say 101. My list is starting from where? 101. You can give any number, no problem. Okay. Just you can give the any number, amma. You can give the any number, no problem. Okay, na? So just I say 74. 74 is there. Just I given 101. Just I given 201. 201 is there. Okay. Next one. Next one, tell me. Next one. So you want to display the entama. You want to display the list of items. You want to display the list of items along with the alphabets. Along with the alphabets. Using which attribute? Type equal to small a. Type equal to small a. Okay. Type equal entama small a. Small a is there. Okay. If you go to interview, they're asking. I want to start the list from which letter? D letter. I want to start the list from D letter. Generally, alphabets are starting from A. Na? I want to start the list from D. You do what? I want to start the number from entama. I want to start the alphabets from D. D nunchi start avali. Or I want to start the list entama A. Because already entama A to Z is there. Already is it. Already is it. They want to start the list from entama A. Next one is what entama AB. Next one is what AC. Tell me. I want to start the list entama from D letter. Can you tell? So start equal to D na. Start equal entama D. Start equal to D means what? Already told na. Already told. It expect what? Number. It expect what? Number. It expect what? Number. Listen carefully. I want to start the list from entama. I want to start the list from which letter? D letter. D letter. D letter. Okay na? D letter. Letter is what? D. But start attribute it expect what? Number. Already given a clue. Already given a clue. Already given a clue. Start attribute it expect what? Number. I want to start the list D.
D.
I want to start the list. I want to start the list D. I want to start the list D. D నుంచి start అవ్వాలి. It expect what entama? It expect what entama? Just number.
4.
Entama 4. I mean, what is the fourth alpha letter? What is the fourth alpha letter? D. Just you say 4. Okay, ma fourth alphabet letter amma. What is the fourth alphabet letter enti? Fourth alphabet letter enti? D. It will starting from entama D. ఓకేనా ఏ బి సి డి డి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది ఓకేనా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ జస్ట్ యూసే 27 టెల్ మీ 27 ఏ కదమ్మా సో ఏ కదా సో ఇట్ విల్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏంటమ్మా ఏఎసి కరెక్ట్ ఓకే అమ్మా జస్ట్ యు ఎంటర్ వాట్ ఏంటమ్మా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ యు ఎంటర్ వాట్ ఏంటమ్మా 26 20 ఏంటమ్మా 6 ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టెడ్ వేటమ్మా Z is completed. Next started what entama A. Okay, start attribute entama. These type of questions are coming amma. Just I said D. Just I said sorry 10 no. So it will start entama 10th entama alphabet letter. See J. Okay, just enter what entama 27. 27 entama 27 alphabet letter is what entama A. Okay, so in this way entama just in this way we are present the data on the web page entama different ways. Number format. Next one is what entama alphabets. So next one is what entama Roman format. So next one is what entama. So you can start the list entama particular number also. You can start the list entama particular alphabet letter also. Okay, so this is what entama line or paragraph starting. You want to add the numbers, you go with the ordered list. You go with the entama ordered list. Clear? So this is what entama one example. Okay. So next one emma. So not only entama not only display the information on the web page same, not only display the information with entama numbers and numbers. One more advantage is there amma. What is the advantage of the order list? What is the advantage of the order list? You want to display the data category wise. Display the data on the web page category wise. Display the data on the web page category wise. Using what order list only. For example, MCET you take the online exam is there. What is the pattern of the online exam? What is the pattern of the online exam? What is the pattern of the online exam? One question is there. So one question is there. One question is there. How many answers are there? How many answers are there? 4 answers are there. So next one is what? A something. So next one is what? B something. So next one is what? C something. Okay na? Next one is what? D. Next one is what? D. How to create the online examination patterns using order list only. Yes, 100% there is what order list only. So you want to display the data category wise. Display the data category wise using what order list. You want to display the data category wise using what order list. See how to create the question papers using order list. See, very simple. For example, OL open tag is there, OL closing tag is there. Na? OL open tag is there, OL closing tag is there. LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. First write the question. Just as an example. What is HTML? What is HTML? So next one is what? LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. Just as a what is CSS? What is a CSS? Next one. So next one is what? LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. Just as what is JavaScript? Okay, 3 questions are there. Below question, I want to display the 4 options now. Display the 4 options. Display the 4 options. Okay na? You want to display the 4 options na? For example, in our technologies, for loop is there na? In our technologies, for loop is there na? For loop is there na? So for loop inside UMA is the for loop also na? UMA is the for loop also na? For loop inside for loop is there na? Okay, this is what outer for loop. This is what outer for loop. This is what inner for loop. Technically, that is what nested loops. Technical that is what nested loops. Technical that is what nested loops. Here also HTML support nested order list also. HTML support what nested order list also. Nested order list also. Just wait, I tell you, just wait. Change the plan. For example, I want to display the data like this. For example, you are joining Java full stack. You are join Java full stack. Come on, okay na? Java full stack. I want see first class I told you. As a HTML developer, your role is what? Present the information on the web page different ways. Present the information on the web page different ways. You know, present the information on the different ways. You selected any interview. Okay, I want to present the information like this. As a HTML developer, responsibility is what? Present the information on the web page different ways. You know how to, present the information different ways. So you can crack the any interview. You can crack the any interview. Java full stack. How many modules are there? 3 modules are there. No? First one is what command? Front end. First one is what? Front end. So second one is what? So just wait a minute. Take the small letters. See. So I want to display the data. If you go to interview, they are asking present the information in like this. Put the heading first. So what is the heading is what? Just I say Java full stack. So Java full stack, right? So Java full stack. I want to present the information like this. Okay. What are the modules are there? Come on. First module is what? Front end, right? First module is what? Come on. Front end. So second module is what? Back end. Second module is what? Back end. Tell me how many categories are there? 2 categories are there. Na? How many categories are there? 2 categories are there. What is the first category? Front end. What is the second category? Back end. Okay, clear? Below category, I want to display the corresponding technologies. corresponding technologies. You saw the textbooks. This type of information is there now. Next one is what? A. So next one is what? Second one is what? B. B means what? CSS. Next one is what? C. Like that. This type of information is there now. In our textbooks, this type of information is there now. So next one. So next one is what? Backend. Just I say Java. So next one is what? Advanced Java. Okay. So next one is what? Spring, like this. I want to present the data like this. I want to present the data like this using HTML only. You want to display the data category wise. Display the data category wise. You want to display the data category wise using what? Order list only. For example, you open the e-commerce website, in the e-commerce websites, number of categories are there. What are the categories are there? Mobiles is one of the category. Mobiles is one of the category. Women's clothing is one of the category. Books is one of the category. They are present the information on the web page. Different categories are. Okay, ma. For example, if you go to restaurant, okay, ma, they are provide the menu na. They are provide what menu. In that menu, different categories are there na. Veg items, non-veg items, different types of ice creams. They are present the information on the web page category wise. So you want to display the data category wise using what? Order list only. Using what? Order list only. See, correct or not? Put the heading first, Java full stack. Just I said Java full stack. Okay. So Java full stack, right? See, first let me create the categories first. OL open tag is there, OL closing tag is there. So first one is what? Front end. First one is what? Front end. So second one is what? Back end. Second one is what? Back end. So third one is what? Database. Third one is what? Database. Okay. Three categories are there. Clear? First one is what? Front end. Second one is what? Back end. Third one is what? Database. Below category, I want to display I want to add the corresponding technologies. Corresponding technologies. So where you want to add the technologies? Below category. Na? Below category. So where you start the category first? Here start the category. Here start the category. Here end the category. Am I correct? Here start the category. Here end the category. Okay, ma. Start the category, end the category. So between categories, see, ma, between category. Start the category, end the category. Between categories, again you have to create the OL tag. Again you have to create the OL tag. LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. Okay. So next one is what? Just as a front end, right? HTML. So next one is what? Second one is what? CSS. Next one is what? Third one is what? JavaScript. Third one is what? JavaScript. By default, OL tag gives number. By default, OL tag gives what? Numbers. Now you have to change it. Now we have to change it. So type equal to small a. Type equal to small a. Small alphabets are there. See, this type of designing is there now in our text in our textbooks. If this type of designing is there now. Next one. So next one is what? Back end. Next one is what? Back end. Where is start the category? Here start the category. Here end the category. So between category, again you have to create what? OL tag. OL open tag is there, OL closing tag is there. LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. So just I say Java. Okay. So Java. So next one is what? Okay, LI open tag is there, LI advanced Java. So advanced Java. So next one is what? LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. So next one is what? Spring. Next one is what? LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. So Spring Boot like this. Okay. Save the program, check it. By default numbers are there. You have to change it. Type equal to small a. Type equal to small a. Small alphabets are added. Okay. So you want to display the database technologies. Here start the category. Here end the category. So next one is what? Same. OL open tag is there, OL closing tag is there. LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. So first one is what are the database technologies are there in the market? So one of the database technology name is what? Oracle, right? So another database technology name is what? MySQL. MySQL. Another database technology name is what? SQL Server. SQL Server. So save the program, check it. See, ma. Okay, ma. So this is what enter ma outer OL tag. This is what outer OL tag. So this is what enter ma inner OL tag. This is what inner OL tag. This is what inner OL tag. Okay, ma. See, ma, before enter ma inner OL tag enter ma white space is added. See, before inner OL, this is what outer OL tag, right? This is what inner OL tag. See, ma, before inner OL tag, I am not at the space. I am not at the space. Who is added the space, amma? This is space entama added by browser. Added by entama browser. Technically, you don't say space, amma. Technical words are most important. That is what indentation. That is what indentation. That is what amma indentation. What is meant by indentation means what amma white space. White entama space. That space is added by entama your browser. That space is added by entama your browser. So Python students in our entama in our technologies also Python students are there. In our technologies also without indentation entama some of the methods are not working, right? Indentation is also matter, right? Indentation is also matter in our technologies Python. You take the Python students, in our technologies, some of the methods are not working in without indentation. Without indentation, some of the methods are not working. Am I correct? Without indentation, some of the methods are not working. Here indentation is also matter. Indentation is also matter. Means what? What is the purpose of the order list? We are present the information on the web page at different levels. Different levels. It is a level 1. It is what? Level 1. It is what? Level 2. Okay. Some of the students doubt. For some of the students doubt is what? Sir, HTML is there. Na? In the HTML also, I want to display the list of versions. List of versions 1.0, 2.0, like that. Okay, na? Create it, no problem. You can create the number of levels. You can create the number of levels. Okay, same. You can create the number of levels, right? Where start the level of see? Here start the LI. Here start the LI na. Here start the LI. Here end the LI na. Okay, first you have to check it, where is starting, where is ending, where is start the HTML, where is the end the HTML. That is important point. Okay, na? Between LI, between LI, again you have to create what? OL tag. Again create what? OL tag. Already numbers are completed. Numbers are used. Numbers are used. Alphabets are used. Remaining, come on. Remaining Roman numbers are there. Numbers are used. In the first level, numbers are used. In the second level, alphabets are used. In the third level, Roman numbers are used. That reason only they are given different numbers, different formats. That reason only they are given different formats. Okay. So why they are given in these many formats? In the first level, one format. Second level, one format. Third level in one format. Okay. Now add the items. See, LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there, HTML 1.0. So next one is what? So HTML in 2.0. HTML 2.0. Like this in you can create the number of levels. HTML 3.0. Save the program, check it. See. So this type of content is there on your textbooks. Am I correct? This type of content is there on your textbooks. This is what ordered list. So this is what level 1. So this is what level 2. So this is what level 3. We are used the OL tag how many times? 3 times. Na? That is what nested OL tag. HTML support what? Nested OL tag. HTML support what? Nested OL tag. This is what first OL. This is what second OL. This is what third OL. Okay. So in this way, we are created what So online exam is online entama exam patterns also. What is the pattern of the online exam? See, like this summer. OL open tag is there, OL closing tag is there, LI open tag is there, LI entama closing tag is there. So what is entama HTML? Okay na? So let me create the 3 questions. LI open tag is there, LI entama closing tag is there. So CSS, right? Next one is what entama LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. So next one is what is entama JavaScript. Okay, see. Okay, below question we want to display the answers. We want to display the answers, right? Same. Here start the question, right? Here under the question amma. Below between question again you have to create what amma OL tag. Again you can create what amma OL tag. See, just I said type equal to small a. Type equal to amma small a. See, LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. Here you have to put the content. Okay, better understand you. I given entama dots. I given what entama dots. Okay, LI. Next one is what LI. Next one is what LI. 4 LIs are there na? Actually, in our online examination entama displays what entama radio buttons, right? Radio buttons are there na? But entama you can display the radio buttons also. But you want to display the radio buttons using what HTML forms. You will see coming days. Okay na? You will see entama coming days. See, you will see coming days. Okay na? See, one question. How many answers are there? 4 answers are there na? Okay ma. In this way create what entama question papers. So next one. Here also entama. What is the second question is what amma? LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. So next one is what entama? Second question and 4 answers. Okay. Next one. LI open tag is there, LI closing tag is there. So next one is what entama? Third question and 4th one. Same pattern is there na? Pattern is there na? Okay, some of the students are doubt. Sir, I want to display the like this. A, next one is what? P. Next one is what? C. Next one is what entama? D. Okay, na? You can display, but it required what entama? CSS. Using CSS entama, you can display the data entama in a column. In a column. So some of the people are they are asking like this amma. A, P. One below another. One below another. A, P. So next one is what entama? C, D. A, B. Next one is what entama? C, D. C, D. You can display the options rows or columns also, but using what entama? CSS. Using what entama? CSS. We'll see coming days. Okay. So this is what complete information about entama ordered list. This much information is there. Okay. But some of the people are thinking what entama? Thinking what? HTML is entama easy. HTML is not easy. You learn the HTML entama only basics easy. You learn the HTML entama in depth not easy. Okay, so same one class entama I am teaching only order list. But you join entama other entama other places completed order list, unordered list, defined list. They are started entama another concept. But I am teaching completely in depth. Okay, so this is what entama order list only. Clear? So online students, okay. Online students, please share entama your entama mobile numbers. Please share me entama your mobile numbers. Entama just okay na. I will add it entama. I will add the group to you. Okay ma. Please share me your mobile numbers amma. All please all members share చేయండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, సో ఇంతవరకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అమ్మా. ఓకే. Okay ma, practice it. I will send the notes now. Okay, online students. Okay, all are sending. Please sending all members amma. Who are take the admission? Please those people are sending amma. Only 5 members. Remaining to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, thank you.